Hi there, my name is Syed Habib from the United Foundation, Bangalore. Charity is one word that comes to our mind when we see someone who is in a desperate condition without food, clothes, and a shelter. Charity is a natural calling to us all human beings, where when we have enough and more, we are compelled to think about our fellow beings. But there's one thing about charity. We do it all at will and comfort. We do it ad hoc. We do it without a discipline, right? What I'm sharing with you right now is a concept you may think and adapt. I'm talking about something called as a 2.5% concept. What is 2.5%? If I buy a loaf of bread, it's one bite. If I buy a plate of biryani, it's one spoon. If I buy a box of juice, it's one sip. Zakat is a globally standardized concept of charity in Islam. Charity means to feel connected, to have compassion, to be a part of something bigger. All this at a cost of 2.5% of what I and you have. If you look at this is all basic we owe our society. 2.5% seems very, very small and insignificant, but the impact it makes is very huge. Just think about this. One outing with a family for dinner, whatever we spend on that is enough to buy 2 meals for a family for a fortnight. Zakat is an obligatory charity given by every able Muslim. Zakat is 2.5% of a Muslim's total savings and wealth above a minimum amount. Zakat is given to family, to orphans, to the needy, to the travelers, and whoever asks. Fitra, on the other hand, is another kind of charity, which is a gift of 2.5 kgs of wheat per head, or grains, or equivalent of money that is given to the poor and needy. This is an obligatory amount or charity a Muslim gives before Eid. Fitra has a dual purpose: expiation of our shortcomings in the month of Ramadan, and it also ensures that nobody goes hungry on Eid. So Zakat is different, Fitra is different, right? Zakat is your annual charity of 2.5%. Whereas Fitra is a specific charity which is a small number, but it takes care of the hungry on Eid. Fidya, there is another concept called Fidya. Fidya is given when someone cannot fast in Ramadan and can't make up for the lost days afterwards due to illness or old age. Fidya amount for a day is to feed a person twice. So for a month to feed a person, it takes an average of about 3,000 rupees plus. This can be given as food or grains to the poor. Sadaqah, which is a broad understanding of charity, comes from the Arabic word sadaq, or implies that any act of righteousness is charity, right? Charity can be given in terms of support, help, even smiling is charity, right? So the United Foundation runs this unique drive every single year in the month of Ramadan, where Zakat, Fidya, Fitra, and Sadaqah, which you pay and I pay, are in the form of an Eid kit, which is delivered to the most needy people of the society. So please come forward and make your contributions now. Thank you.